So you want to make videos that valuable that your viewers give you a standing ovation in your comments and in your analytics. Well, let me tell you the truth. The most valuable videos aren't just informative, they're irresistible. They include hidden methods that force your viewers to binge your content. I've made over 150 long-form educational videos, and the moment I understood what real value felt like to the viewer, my audience retention started rocketing. But here's the crazy part. It wasn't about adding more value, it was just about changing the way they receive it. So how did I level up the value of my content, and how can you do the same? One of these points literally takes a minute, and it added 30 seconds onto my viewer duration. Many creators think value means tips, so they structure their videos like 5 reasons why you should lose weight. Number 1, health. Number 2, looks, etc, etc. That's not a valuable video in 2025. That's a PowerPoint. Stop giving your viewer the point before the explanation. They've got no reason to stay if you give them everything up front. Start with the problem or story that teaches the point. Build tension and then later pay it off. That's how you keep viewers hooked. Before I carry on, if you want extra insight in how to level up your content's value, make sure to join many of my subscribers in receiving value-packed 2-minute emails. It's completely free and it allows me to help you even more. Be honest, who are your videos actually for? If your answer is anything along the lines of anyone who wants to learn about X, you're not being specific enough. YouTube is more crowded than ever, so you have to earn someone's attention by speaking directly to them. I started getting much better retention on my fitness videos once I decided I only make videos for skinny guys who want to build muscle. Not steroided bodybuilders or anyone with a gym membership, just my people. So figure out who your person is and obsess over making their life easier. Answer their problems. Tell them how to get to their goals. It might not be where the views are straight away, but once you build an audience full of these people, that's how you make super valuable videos that they can't stop watching. Now remember when I said there was a trick that massively boosted my audience retention and took literally a minute? Here's the change I made. I used to treat each video like a standalone event. People would watch one, enjoy it, and then probably go and watch the Sidemen like everyone else. But if you want to see incredible growth, you need to stop seeing your videos as islands and start building bridges between them. Every video you make should lead into another one. If one does well, they should all rise up like an army. Here's how I did it. Firstly, I made all of my videos around a very similar and niche topic. For example, for my skinny guy audience, these were mainly around how to build muscle on different body parts. Secondly, at the end of each video, I would add an end screen that linked to the last one. I would then say something like, you don't just want big arms, you also want a big chest. Watch this video here to see how you can get that. If you do this on multiple videos, your audience retention will rise across the board because people are binging. Your content will also get a bunch more views because they're on other videos, and they'll also show up in the suggested tab. This is how one strong video doesn't just win on its own. It pulls your whole channel up with it. Now, through making all this valuable fitness content for years, I also learned great ways to level up my videos, making them more and more engaging. Watch this right here to see everything I learned and how you can do the same.